friends, I hope that you are fine. Let we discuss fungi size. Size of fungi. Size of fungi 2 to 16 centimeter large puffball. This is a rounded shape, but fungi size is very small. Puffball shape. Vegetative structure of fungi non-reproduction. Hyphae tubular shape. One continuous cell filled in cytoplasmic and nucleic multinucleate hard cell wall of chitin also it insect exoskeleton. This is a shape of hyphae. Hyphae. Storons horizontal hypha that can connect groups of hypha to each other. Rhizoids root-like pairs of hyphae that anchor the fungus. Salton rhizoids. This is a diagram of Salton rhizoids. The second is cross-wall chord septa may form compartments. Septa have pores for movement of cytoplasm from network called mycelia that return through the thallus body. This is a thallus body of fungi. Reproductive structure hyphae. Last is mycelium. Left hand is spores. This is diagram of thallus. Absorptive heterotroph. Fungi get carbon from organic source. Strips of hyphae release enzymes. Enzymes breakdown of substrate products diffuse back into hyphae. This is diagram nucleus direct the digestion process. Digestion material is then used by hyphae. This is enzymatic breakdown. Most important modification of hyphae. Fungi may be classified based on cell division with or without cytokinesis. Aseptate or coenocytic without septa, septa with septa. Non-cross-wall, cross-wall. What is difference between non-cross-wall and cross-wall? You see that this diagram. Modification of hyphae. Let you see first diagram. Cell wall, spore, septum, nucleic acid. Nucleic acid two combined septa. Cell wall, nucleic acid. The pore is the outer layer is cell wall and inside the dot is show nucleic. Septa hypha, coenzymatic hypha. Fungal hypha, plant cell wall. The outer layer is plant cell wall. Lower layer is plant cell. The inner layer is plasma membrane. And the outer ring-like shape is Hastostroium. Hastostroium parasitic hypha are plant and animals. They live on two sides, plants and animal. This is a nematodine hypha. Hyphal growth. Hyphal growth from their tips. Mycelium is an extensive feeding web of hypha. Mycelia are non-ecological active bodies of fungi. This wall is rigid, only the tip wall is plastic and